Daniela, I take you to be my wife. I will love you unconditionally and without hesitation, for it is your heart that moves me, your spirit that inspires me, and your hand that I want to hold for the rest of our days. I will be your partner in all things, your rock when times are crazy, your guide when the future is unclear, and your pillow when the big game is on TV. The love that we have is not only one that is built to last, but to expand and grow. So for the rest of our days, I promise to support you, challenge you, to teach you, and learn from you. I promise to end each day by telling you that I love you. I promise to love, respect, and trust you, and give the best of myself to you so that together we can build a life, a home, and a family.
I, Daniela, take you, Derek, to be my husband, and I promise before God and these witnesses to be your loving and faithful wife. Since the day that we met, I knew that you were the man I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. Today, as we begin our life together as man and wife, I vow to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, to love you when times seem easy and when they seem difficult. I promise to keep our love alive and to grow together, knowing that we will build a far better life with each other than either of us could imagine by ourselves. I give you my hand, my heart, and my love from this day forward, as long as we both shall live.
Daniela, desde chiquita me has impresionado. Desde que naciste, no solamente cambiaste mi vida, pero también me cautivaste. Desde temprana edad siempre me impresionaste con tu linda personalidad, tu confianza, tu motivación y tu gran corazón.
You look so pretty. It's gonna be harder than I thought. Oh my gosh.
You've spoken the words and you perform the rites which now unites your lives. It's my legal right as a minister, my greatest joy and privilege to declare at this moment you're officially husband and wife. Derek, you know what's next? No, you kiss your bride.